We had a guy who, in consecutive days, he had a tractor pulling a large farm implement, went out, and the driver, I don't know if he wasn't paying attention or what he was doing, they were going between farms. He drove off the road and into a canal. The tractor and the implement were in the canal. And I drove out there, and I was there with our insured and just shaking our heads. How could this have happened? This is so, what was this guy thinking? The next day, that same client called me, had another employee driving another tractor with another large implement in a different town, drove off the road and into a canal. And he and I were back there looking at that accident. It was just unbelievable. It all ended up being covered. And I said to him, I bet you this other employee on the second day was making fun of the first one and said, what an idiot. How could he possibly have driven that tractor into a canal? But yeah, it is a good feeling to look at the policy, to see the vehicle involved in the accident, and to know that there's coverage. I think sometimes the biggest where we can really help our clients is 2 or 3 weeks later if there's a problem with the claim, being an advocate for them. Because they don't, our insureds are experts in whatever it is they do, but they're not experts about the fine print in an insurance policy. And so there is sometimes where we can help them negotiate with an adjuster, find coverage, maybe bring things to light that they hadn't thought of earlier.